What's up YouTube? So welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to tell you a trick where you can another website where you can actually sell your pictures or sell your stock images and earn a lot of money. Well, to start with, the website name is Mostphotos. Um, like other websites, it's the similar kind of a interface and it's the similar kind of a pricing point over here. But the best part about Mostphotos is, unlike other websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images, you do not need to wait for the approval of your images. That is right. Whenever you upload the images on these particular website, they automatically qualify for getting sold, unless and until you have some model or someone which you have not released a model release form for. So now when I say model release form, there would be a person or someone who is inside your picture, and for that, like selling it on commercial basis, you would need the commercial license for. Apart from that, the images can get sold on their own. You don't need an approval like the other websites. So here I am on the selling image page. I have clicked on sell images page, and this is what Mostphotos has to offer us. Well, I'm also going to cover how can you upload images on this particular website. So stay tuned for that. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, because I keep on making such videos about how to earn passive income, videos about digital marketing, social media marketing, what is trending and stuff like that. So please do subscribe, and you might as well think about clicking on that bell icon so I can reach you whenever I upload new videos. So the first thing is, it says selling images on Mostphotos is very simple. Of course it is very simple. I'm gonna show you in a while how can you upload. It is very simple. The second thing is earning money. Now the best part about Mostphotos, which I like, is apart like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and like Adobe and stuff like that, the big brands out there, they will pay you a certain percentage. Like, it depends on, maybe it could be like the contract which you've signed with them, so they pay you basis on that. For example, if you have an exclusive contract, still you can just maximize the particular percentage which you receive. Is 45% is what I have noticed with all these particular other websites. But with Mostphotos, without having an exclusive contract, I sell my pictures on Mostphotos. I recently started selling pictures on Mostphotos in the month of September, I guess. And the best part about Mostphotos is it will share 50-50 sales revenue with you. That is right. So for example, if an image gets sold for, like, let's say $50, so $25 is something which Mostphotos will keep for themselves, but you get $25 for a single image. Similarly, there is no cap that what amount your image can be sold. Like unlike Shutterstock will pay you, let it be any particular image which has got sold, until unless it has an extended license which the person wants to buy. It will pay you 25 cents until you reach a particular number. But with Mostphotos, there is no cap as such. Whatever the amount the user is paying, you will get the 50% of that particular amount. So that's the best part I like. It also gives you what's selling. So there are images, there are examples which Mostphotos gives you, what you can sell, how are the images you need to capture, and what is gonna make the most for you. There are other things like the categories. Basically, again, it's a similar part like the other websites. The images get sold in editorial as well as commercial license. For editorial, you do not need any model release form. It could be sold as an editorial license. For more information, you can Google what is editorial license and commercial license. um, Apart from that, so I have actually already signed into my dashboard. I'm going to show you how exactly it looks. And yeah, so here is my dashboard. This is my profile. This is my dashboard. You have quick edits here. You have quick access for upload and edit. You can upload it with a single click. You get to access like what is trending. You can invite a friend. Now another factor, and there is sales as well. How much sales have you made? So now let's go one by one. The first thing I would like to say is invite a friend is a good option which you want to explore. The moment you actually create your account on Mostphotos and you share this referral link, so Mostphotos gives you this referral link. You can share it with your friends, or you can share it on your social media as well. Over here you can see there is tweet and Facebook share option which is being given, and you can earn 10% of the referral sales. That is right. So 10% is someone, for example, if you have a lot of photographer friends, or probably someone who just likes to click pictures, they don't have to be professional as well, but if they sign up through your referral link and they start selling on Mostphotos, you will earn 10% of their sales. So for example, if they upload 100 images, you will earn whatever the total amount they have made through that 100 images. You will earn the 10% of that. And for instance, if you do not have any photographer friends, you just want to like refer this Mostphotos website for purchasing the image. Maybe it might be your client. If you're working for an advertising agency, it might be your client. You can just share the link of the image which you want the person to purchase, and it will start paying you 5%. So for example, if that person pays, if that person makes a purchase for a particular image of say $100, you'll get 5% of that particular share. That is how you can earn through Mostphotos. Now coming back quickly to how can you upload the images. So over here there is, you can see the my account section. As I said, I started since September. I have not made much of sales, but I would like to show you how much I have made. Just give me 1 minute. So the total amount I have made is 5.30 euros, and so these are the numbers which I have made the purchase, I mean the sales from. In the month of September, I made a sale of 9.90 euros. In the month of October, as you can see, it's 1.91. In the month of November, it's 2.9. So it's basically not set like what is the amount which you will earn. It differs on, as you can see, it differs from image to image. But don't lose hope, because you might as well click click on the jackpot part of it, because as we all know, most of the pictures, maybe they sell for a lower price than $100, but if a purchaser wants to use your particular image for an extended license, the images can give you, one single image can give you up to $500. So yeah, so let's get quickly started on how can you upload the images. Once again, I'm saying the video is going to be a bit long, because as you can see, it's a detailed video. I do not create videos which are just like a summary of it. I create in-depth detailed videos so you understand, and I'm just trying to create a portfolio where, for instance, I started the stock photography, and the problems which I faced while watching the YouTube videos, or understanding the information through online uh, uh, basically online internet. I'm just trying to fill up those gaps. So again, I'm saying, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, because I would be making such in-depth videos in future as well. So without wasting any time, this is my account. You just need to click on my account over here. After you open my account, you will see easy upload. You just need to click on easy upload, and there would be a page which would be like this. It will open. Now in order to upload, there is a button over here as browse. You need to click on the browse button, or you need to click on this browse button and just navigate to the particular folder where you want to upload the images. Now I already have renamed this particular images. In order for you to check out how can you quickly add tags and metadata to hundreds and 200s of images at a single time and upload them on multiple websites, I have made a separate video. You can watch the video with the card help over there, and I'm just going to click on them and click on open. So the images are getting uploaded. As you can see, the images have been uploaded and they are just processing. So once the images have been processed, I have already, as I said, I have already added the tags and the metadata. So tags and metadata is just title and description and these particular tags which help the buyers to search your images on this particular platform. So that half of our work is done because I added those tags. Half of the work is already done. I'm just going to select language here as English, and then you need to select the license for which you want to sell this images for. Now in case if this image had a model in this, I would need a model release form, but since it doesn't have it, I'm just going to click on commercial because commercial images sell at a higher price compared to the editorial ones. So commercial is always the best option to go with. Number of people, in case if we had a people in this particular image, you can set it as automatic or you can manually as well enter the number of people who are there in this particular picture. But since we do not have any people, so it's just going to be automatic. And as I said, you need a model release form. If there were people which were involved in this particular image, you would have to release a model release form. So right now I do not have any models, so I'm just gonna keep it blank, and that's it guys. You just need to click on publish. So that particular image has been published already on my account. Similar way, as I said, 80% of the work is done because I've added the tags. Now as you can see over here, there are like few people who are standing at the door in the train, but you know the best part is their faces are not visible. So you don't need the model release form until and unless the faces are not clearly visible. But that doesn't mean, if for example if the model was standing here, like it was the main subject, and the model is turning towards the background, you would still need a model release form. So over here, as we don't have the models who are clearly noticeable, that is completely fine. You don't need a model release form here. Again, I'm simply gonna click on English as the language, commercial, and that's about it. So that's done. This is how you upload the images on Mostphotos. Now as I said, you do not need an approval. I'm just going to quickly show you the images are already added on my portfolio. So these are my popular images. You just need to click on new, and as you can see, these two images have been added successfully. So whenever user comes and clicks on the particular images and they want to purchase that image, you will get paid automatically. And one thing I actually forgot to mention is that Mostphotos pay you through PayPal. So you can create a free account on PayPal and start earning through Mostphotos. Well, this was the video about how can you upload content on Mostphotos. Do let me know in the comment section below, how did you find this video? And if you've not, again I'm saying, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. That would be a great help. Well, this was it from my end for today. I will be back with another video. Till then, keep geeking.